Hey folks, today I'm going to show you how to install this thing. I got a taillight tuck kit from Hemisphere Performance. Gives you better visibility on the road. The way the stock Rogue is, your turn signals are also your taillights. This is an additional taillight, but it also has turn signals on each side. Let me demonstrate that. So I'm going to turn this thing on. I've got some daylight left, but I'm in an area where it should show pretty well in the daylight. This thing is really bright. It definitely gives you better visibility out on the road. I prefer to be safer than sorry. Plus it looks really cool. It's sleek. It's pretty much hidden. Let's head back to the garage and I'll show you how I installed it. This is the light itself. Everything is pre-wired and plug and play, nicely labeled. These are the two brackets that it mounts to, and some additional zip ties and stickies for your wires and such. Here are the instructions. It's a really simple install, but I'll use the instructions anyways, just in case I overlook something. We'll take these two sidebars off, run the wires, plug everything in, and we'll be good to go. First, it's looking a little dirty. I'm gonna wash this. The bolts are out on this side. In case you're wondering, I wanted to show you what I did here. I bought this Viking bag before I bought this sissy bar from Dean Speed, and this used to have a little bit more metal moving up here so that it would go inside of there. In order for me to make them fit, I ground these down, just put some little plastic washers here so there's no metal against metal. But yeah, that's what I did to make this bag fit with the Dean Speed sissy bar. So I'm going to pull the other side out, and then we'll just be able to pop these guys off. Both sides are off. You can see where the wires run through here. It didn't take much to find the plugs. Just pull the wires out just a little bit and they're buried down in there. And on this side right here. I don't know if you can see that right there. This light piece just fits right up in here in the fender. And then we'll be taking these two side brackets and connecting to the holes under here. You can see them better here. Those are already exposed because there's not a license plate connected to it, but they are there. Once you take the side off, there's no screws there. So we'll just remove this and tuck that in there. Okay, everything's very loosely set up. Got wires strewn about. Plugging it in was really easy. Thing is, like, those wires down there were kind of hard to get to, so you gotta have small hands and a push pin or a small screwdriver to open up those latches on those things. And you really can't get it wrong because they're different connectors for both sides, but they are clearly labeled which side to use it with. One thing to note, the small wire goes into this wire which connects to your license plate light. And then this wire is pretty much a dead wire now that we've connected the left side. When putting the sissy bar on, it's really hard to put it on, have your spacers lined up and everything, so since I've done this a few times, I've just decided I'm going to tape it roughly in place so that the holes are somewhat aligned. That way I can make sure those long bolts get where they need to go.